Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to another episode where I review vintage fountain pens. This time I have for you a wonderful set. I think it is approximately from the 1930s, and the name of this is Normatic. You probably don't know this producer, Normatic. Well, I know it's a Normatic because on the clip of this fountain pen, it is imprinted the word Normatic. And apart from Normatic, we have a logo which appears to be like a crown. It is not so good visible here, but on the mechanical pencil, it is more noticeable at the end of the clip. So it appears that we have a crown with 3 points, and each of that point has another 2 points, so 6 points of the crown. Well, guys, I did a little bit of research and I found out that Normatic was a sub-brand of FEND. And if you're not familiar with FEND, let me tell you a little bit a story about this great German metalwork design company. So, FEND was founded in 1899 in, I'm sorry from the pronunciation, guys, of this German town or region, but I will leave it on the screen. So, Pforzheim, Pforzheim, the area where the German jewelry industries were based. Practically, Fend is well known because all the German overlay works of Mont Blanc in the 1920s and in the 1930s were done by this German firm Fend. Well, the nibs found of the Fend models and also Fendograph models came from Degussa. I will leave a picture with a Degussa nib on the screen because it has a particular logo with the sun. So when you see that logo, definitely a Degussa high quality nib. Unfortunately, in the period of 1936 till the end of the World War II in 1945, the production of gold nibs was mostly prohibited, and they use steel nibs from Roop, Bock, and some other small manufacturers. In this case, we have this little fountain pen, and it is equipped with a nib, and let me show you to you. It is a simple steel nib, warranted iridium point. It is gold plated and it is quite wonderful. On the back, we have the so-called Christmas tree feed, which was specific to Parker models from that period. You can see the grip section, it ends in this concave shape. It gives you a little nice grip. You might know, guys, that this part is made out of celluloid, and this is overlay metal with this pattern, quite a nice pattern, as you can see. Here we have a blind cap without the pattern. It looks wonderful. And yes, we have a button filler, so if you push this, it activates a lever inside of it and it pushes on the sack. By creating that pressure, the sack fills with ink. Quite a nice looking elegant fountain pen. It is quite a small fountain pen, and I have let's say the Shonaken Extra to show you how small it is. This is the Extra 111, so the biggest Shonaken of the 1950s. This is the mechanical pencil. It's slightly longer than the fountain pen. You can see also the same matching works. This is a part where you could personalize it if you've wished. So I will put this aside. So guys, this set cost me around I believe 80 euros or 90 American dollars. So not such a high price, but not a small price, because it is not fitted with the gold nib. But it is a wonderful fountain pen, and I will leave its dimensions on the screen. For the writing sample, I think I will choose this wonderful Faber-Castell pink ink, erasable ink, and we will see how it writes. The mechanical pencil is already fitted with a nice mine, so this is the mechanical pencil. It writes quite nice. I will leave this aside. And now we will focus on attention on the fountain pen. For this, I will change the angle of the camera, and we will see how this fountain pen writes. Okay, let me put this paper here. Of course, I believe it needs a new sack, so I will just simply dip it in ink, and I hope that it will do a great job. This is the first time that I tell this fountain pen, so I hope it is okay. So I have a Normatic by FEND set. It has a button filler fountain pen and a nice mechanical pencil. The nib is a steel nib, gold plated. Okay, so we have, if I'm not mistaken, warranted. Let me see. Yes, warranted iridium point. So gold plated, warranted iridium point. Okay, nice. So let me see if I have some line variation. No flex. Okay, the pressure test. Yes, we definitely have a line variation. It is a small one, but noticeable. Okay, let me see now, guys, if I can do a signature with it. Review, yes, quite fine, nice. Let me see how I can reverse write it. Reverse writing, definitely no. It scratches a lot and it has problems with the ink flow. Now let me see how juicy it is. Of course, I need to fill it again with ink, it appears, but I think it's quite a juicy nib. Let me now tell you about the quick brown fox that jumps over the lazy dog. So guys, quite a nice fountain pen. I like it a lot. It has some interesting dimensions, and in case I didn't leave the dimensions, I will leave both the dimensions of the chemical of the mechanical pencil and of this beautiful, beautiful little button filler. This was my review, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I must tell you that I particularly love this metallic overlaid fountain pens and sets that were produced in the 1920s and in the 1930s. They are quite nice writing instruments, and of course I am proud to have this in my possession. This was my review, guys. I want to wish you to have a nice day. Have a nice day wherever you are. I thank you for your time. If you've liked this review, please subscribe to my channel to support my activity. Thank you guys for your time. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself in this pandemic time. We will see you again on the next episode. Till then, bye bye.